A Nature Walk on the Farm by Louise and Richard Spilsbury. Where are we going? We are going on a nature walk to spot plants and animals on a farm. Some farms grow crops, which are plants that people eat. Some farms keep animals that we use for food. Some do both. First, get permission to visit a farm. Farms can be muddy, so wear rubber boots. It is best not to touch the animals, and you should wash your hands after you walk. What grows in the field? Can you see the grain growing at the top of these tall, grass-like plants? These are wheat plants. People crush and grind the grain to make flour for bread and pasta. Look at the shapes inside the green pods. These are pea plants, and the round, green peas growing inside the pods are good to eat. What lives on the flowers? Use a magnifying glass to spot insects on farm flowers. Look in the center of the flowers. Many insects come to drink a sugary juice called nectar from here. Bees lick up nectar with their long tongues. Some bees have yellow and black stripes on their bodies, which warn animals they can give a nasty sting. What is behind the fence? Look at the tuft of white fur on the fence. What do you think lives behind the fence? The grass in the field should give you a clue. Sheep have thick hair called wool that sometimes rubs off on fences. They eat tough grass plants. Their big, hard front teeth cut through the grass, and the flat back teeth grind it up. What happens in the hen house? Peek into the hen house to see lots of busy hens. Hens lay eggs inside a hen house. The hen house protects the hens from foxes that might try to eat them. Hens lay eggs to have young, but farm eggs do not have chicks inside. When the farmer takes the eggs away to eat or sell, the hens keep laying more. What lives in the barn? Look on the floor for clues about what lives up high in a barn. These pellets contain hair and bone from small animals. What do you think made them? Barn owls rest in the barn in the day. They hunt mice and other small animals at night. They swallow prey whole and cough up the animal bones and hair in pellets later. What lives in the mud? What do you see in this muddy field? What animal do you think made those shapes and holes in the mud? Why do you think it made them? Pigs roll in mud to keep cool. Being muddy also protects them from biting insects and sunburn. Pigs root around in the mud to find insects and worms to eat, too. What is in the pond? Cows, sheep, and other animals drink from the pond. Why do you think this duck is upside down in the pond? Ducks feed on plants, insects, and small fish that are under the water. Can you see the eggs in this pond? The tadpoles swimming out of the eggs live underwater. Later, they will grow legs and become frogs living on the land. How can I protect farm animals and plants? You can help to protect farm animals and plants by staying on paths, so you do not step on crops. Keep dogs on leashes too, so they do not chase farm animals. Leave gates on a farm as you found them. A farmer usually closes gates to keep farm animals in, but they may be open so animals can reach food and water.